Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of automotive excellence. Today we're tackling a common issue that many drivers face: the search for the perfect sway bar bushings. These small components play a crucial role in your vehicle's handling, reducing noise, and improving your driving experience. Whether you're a daily driver or an off-road enthusiast, finding the right sway bar bushings can significantly enhance your vehicle's performance. Join me as we explore the 7 best sway bar bushings on the market, tailored for various needs and vehicles. Number 1. MOOG K200,000 222 Stabilizer Bushing Kit is specifically designed for the Silverado 1500, and it stands out for its exceptional quality and durability. MOOG, known for its premium aftermarket parts, ensures that these bushings enhance your vehicle's stability and handling. The design of these bushings focuses on reducing road noise and improving the connection between your vehicle's suspension and the body. Made from high-grade materials, they offer an unparalleled blend of flexibility and strength, ensuring they withstand various driving conditions without compromising on performance. Furthermore, the MOOG K200,000 222 kit is engineered for easy installation, making it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The precision fit is tailored to the Silverado 1500, ensuring a seamless integration with the vehicle's existing suspension setup. This not only contributes to an improved driving experience, but also extends the lifespan of the bushings, thanks to reduced wear and tear. With its robust design and superior materials, the MOOG K200,000 222 kit exemplifies the brand's commitment to quality, making it an excellent choice for Silverado 1500 owners seeking to upgrade their sway bar bushings. Number 2. ACDelco's 45G0631 suspension bushing is another top contender, known for its reliability and performance. As a trusted name in the automotive parts industry, ACDelco offers this bushing as a solution for drivers seeking to enhance their vehicle's suspension system. The design of the 45G0631 bushing focuses on improving the overall stability and handling of the vehicle, ensuring a smoother and more controlled driving experience. Made from high-quality materials, it is designed to withstand harsh driving conditions, offering both durability and resilience. The installation process of the ACDelco 45G0631 is straightforward, allowing for a hassle-free upgrade to your vehicle's suspension system. Its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles makes it a versatile choice for many drivers. Additionally, the bushing's ability to reduce vibration and noise significantly enhances the comfort level during drives, making it an attractive option for those looking to improve their vehicle's performance without sacrificing comfort. With its exceptional design and quality, the ACDelco 45G0631 suspension bushing stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to automotive excellence. Number 3. Red Hound Auto Rear Sway bushings are a game-changer. Designed specifically for the 2003 to 2011 Honda Element, these bushings are crafted to enhance the vehicle's handling and stability, particularly in challenging driving conditions. The focus on precision and compatibility ensures that these bushings fit perfectly, offering an immediate improvement in the driving experience. Made from durable materials, they are built to last, providing a long-term solution to sway bar performance issues. The design of the Red Hound Auto bushings also prioritizes noise reduction, creating a quieter and more enjoyable ride. Their ability to absorb shocks and vibrations not only improves comfort, but also contributes to the vehicle's overall safety by enhancing control and stability. Easy to install, these bushings are an excellent choice for Honda Element owners looking to upgrade their vehicle's suspension system without extensive modifications. The Red Hound Auto Rear Sway bushings represent a blend of quality, performance, and value, making them a top pick for those seeking to enhance their Honda Element's ride. Number 4. Prothane 41138 Dodge Ram Sway Bar bushings bring a splash of color and a significant upgrade in performance to your Dodge Ram. These red bushings are not only visually striking, but also offer superior handling and stability improvements, thanks to their high-quality polyurethane construction. Unlike standard rubber bushings, Prothane's polyurethane material provides an optimal balance of stiffness and flexibility, resulting in enhanced responsiveness and control over the vehicle. Designed specifically for the Dodge Ram with a 34mm sway bar, These bushings ensure a perfect fit and easy installation. The durability of the polyurethane material also means these bushings are resistant to wear, oil, and extreme temperatures, making them an ideal choice for drivers in varying climates and driving conditions. The Prothane 411-38 bushings are a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and performance, offering Dodge Ram owners an excellent option for upgrading their vehicle's suspension system and achieving a smoother, more controlled driving experience. Number 5. Energy Suspension 9.5161G Greasable Sway Bar Bushing in Black. This bushing stands out for its exceptional durability and performance enhancement. Made from high-performance polyurethane, it offers significant improvements over standard rubber bushings by providing better handling, reduced body roll, and enhanced performance. The design of the Energy Suspension bushing is both innovative and practical. Its Greasable feature allows for easy maintenance, ensuring that the bushing remains lubricated for smoother operation and extended life. This is especially beneficial for drivers who put their vehicles through rigorous conditions, as it helps maintain optimal performance and reduces wear over time. In terms of usability and effectiveness, the Energy Suspension bushing is top-notch. It's designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile choice for many drivers. Installation is straightforward for those with basic mechanical skills, meaning you can enjoy the benefits of improved handling and stability without a professional mechanic. The immediate difference in ride quality and control is noticeable, making this bushing an essential upgrade for those looking to enhance their driving experience. At number 6, we find the Dorman 928-344 Stabilizer Bushing Kit, specifically designed for Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC models. This kit is a testament to Dorman's commitment to quality and durability, offering a direct replacement for the factory bushings that often wear down and degrade over time. Crafted from high-grade rubber, this stabilizer bushing kit is engineered to match the fit and function of the original parts. This ensures a seamless installation process and restores the vehicle's handling and stability to its optimal state. The kit includes everything needed for a complete overhaul, making it a convenient choice for vehicle owners. The Dorman Stabilizer Bushing Kit not only brings back the smooth and stable ride, but also addresses common problems, such as squeaks and rattles that result from worn-out bushings. Its durability is noteworthy, providing a long-lasting solution that withstands the elements and the riders of daily driving. For owners of the compatible Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC models, this kit is a no-brainer for maintaining the integrity of the vehicle's suspension system and ensuring a comfortable driving experience. Rounding out our list at number 7 are the Front Stabilizer 32mm Sway bushings designed for Dodge Dakota, Ram Durango, Jeep Wrangler models. These bushings are specifically tailored to fit the 32mm sway bars, ensuring a precise fit and optimal performance for owners of these vehicles. Made from a durable rubber compound, these sway bushings are designed to withstand the demands of both on- and off-road driving. The material offers an excellent balance between flexibility and stiffness, providing improved handling and stability without compromising ride quality. This makes them an ideal choice for those who demand the best in both performance and comfort. The installation of these front stabilizer sway bushings is straightforward, with a design that makes them an easy upgrade for the do-it-yourself mechanic. Once installed, drivers will notice an immediate improvement in the vehicle's handling and reduced body roll in turns. This enhanced performance makes the Front Stabilizer 32mm sway bushings a must-have for anyone looking to improve their driving experience, especially for those who frequently tackle challenging terrain or enjoy spirited driving sessions. We'd explored some of the best sway bar bushings available for various vehicles, each offering unique benefits in terms of design, quality, usability, and performance. Upgrading your sway bar bushings is a simple yet effective way to enhance your driving experience. Remember, the right bushings can transform your ride, providing improved stability, comfort, and control. Drive safe and enjoy the upgrade.